I just discovered an AI tool that can turn a single link into a scroll-stopping viral ad video in just minutes. Creating high-performing marketing videos sounds easy, but in reality, it's one of the biggest challenges for creators, marketers, and e-commerce brands. Editing takes hours, sometimes days, and outsourcing, that can cost hundreds or even thousands per video. And the worst part? After all that time, effort, and money, many videos still don't get views, clicks, or sales. That's exactly where NemoVideo changes the game. NemoVideo is an AI-powered video creation and optimization platform built specifically for marketers, online sellers, and content creators. It lets you turn just one product link or even raw footage into a polished, high-converting ad video in minutes, while still giving you full creative control. Let me show you exactly how it works, step by step. Sounds interesting, right? Let's get started. First, head over to NemoVideo.com or click the link in the description. It'll take you straight to this interface. Once you're here, click Get Started, then sign up using your Gmail or email. After that, you'll land on this clean, simple, and easy-to-navigate dashboard designed to help you start creating viral AI ads right away. But before we jump in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. It really supports the channel. Thank you. Now, to start creating our ad videos, this is where you'll paste your product link. You also have the option to upload a product photo or even a rough, not-so-professional video, and the AI will transform it into a polished, viral-ready ad. I'll start by turning a product link into a video. So let's head over to the Amazon e-commerce store and pick a product to promote. Keep in mind, the goal here is to make money. We're not just creating random content. We're creating ad videos that have the potential to go viral on TikTok and other social platforms. Here on the Amazon website, I'll go ahead and pick any product I want to market. Let's say this one. I'll click on it. I'll scroll down a bit to see if there's a better option to choose from. Okay, I think I like this one. So now I'll come over here and copy the URL of this product. Next, I'll head over to Nemo and paste the link right here.
And just so you know, presently for e-commerce, the links can be from Amazon and Shopify.
Even TikTok. So if you find a cool product video on TikTok, you can copy that link and paste it here as well. All right, now we click on the Create Video button, and it will automatically understand everything. As you can see, the agent is now working. It's analyzing the link, pulling in the product information, and it has already identified the product automatically. It's even generated the name and description for us. If there's anything you'd like to tweak or customize, you can type it here in the chat box, and it will respond instantly. I've gone through everything, and it looks good to me, so I'll just type Continue. And just like that, it automatically starts creating the video. It's still processing, and now it brings us here. This is where you can add your own personal touch. Edit the video if you want. On the left side, you'll see all the details of the test video, like the aspect ratio, the voiceover, and more. It also generated extra product images for us. Super cool. I've checked everything and I don't need to make any edits. Once everything looks good, just click Export, select 1080p for the best resolution, and hit Export. Let's preview it.
Introducing Candy Bila Kids headphones, the perfect blend of fun and safety. With an 85 decibel volume limiter, you can protect your child's hearing without sacrificing great sound. The built-in microphone makes online learning and calls crystal clear. Foldable, adjustable, and built to last, designed for kids ages 3 and up. Right now, just $19.98. That's 26% off on Amazon. Rated 4.6 stars by over 3,000 parents. Shop now.
What a lovely ad. So cool. Let me know what you think about this AI tool in the comments below. I also tried it with this phone on Amazon. I just copied the link, came back to Nemo, and pasted it in. Now I'll click here to choose the aspect ratio I want. This time I'll go with 9:16 since I'm planning to post it on TikTok. Next, I'll select the length. As you can see, you can generate videos up to 60 seconds, but I'll go with 15 seconds. Then I'll hit Create Video. just like that, it starts generating the video automatically. And look at this. You can see the exact same phone as it appears on the Amazon website. This is seriously impressive. It then takes you to this editing interface. Honestly, everything already looks great. This AI is so good, you might not even need to edit anything. I'll just click Export, choose 1080p resolution, and here's the final video.
Immerse yourself in a stunning 6.9-inch 120Hz display. Capture every moment in breathtaking detail with the 50-megapixel AI camera, powered by MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra. Smooth, fast, and reliable. Elegant and refined. Designed to impress. Get yours today on Amazon Egypt for just 8,111 Egyptian pounds.
And that's it. As a quick bonus, you can create an account on Amazon Associates Central, start copying links of the products you want to promote, and begin creating videos to earn money through your affiliate links. NemoVideo offers a free plan that gives you 100 credits, so you can explore everything it's capable of. If you're ready to upgrade, their paid plans start at just $4.17 for 1,100 credits. And they also offer a higher tier plan at $33.32. To get started, click the link in my bio. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more free, awesome AI tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.